First of all, click on the banner you have designed already in CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. Now click on Open With. Select the photo software of Windows 10. Now click on Edit and Create. Click on Add 3D Effects. Now these are some effects we can add to our banner. These are animated effects. I will select this atomic motion. After clicking, you can see that this icon has been appear. I can adjust the timing. I want to add it to full video, so I will increase the length. Now I can adjust the size of this animation and position of this animation. Now I will try it how it looks like. Click on play and you can see that it has been added and it's look like very good. Now click on effects to add another animation. Choose by scrolling. I will add this glowing sparkles animation. Click on it and it has been added. Adjust the size and position of the animation and adjust the timeline. Now we will try it how it looks like. You can see that sparkling are appear here. Now click on effects to add another one. I will come with the comet trail. You can see that we can adjust the size, adjust the timeline and adjust the position. Now click on the play button to see how it looks like. Now I want to add some rose petals to the banner, so I will select the rose petal animation. Here is rose petal animation. Click on it. Repeat the steps again and now play it. So you can see by this way we can add animation to our banners and we can create beautiful animated banners. Now save a copy. Click on save a copy. It will give us this option. Click on export. Assign a name to your banner. It is exporting the animation. Now it is now a video. Click on the play button. So we have created a beautiful animated banner. Thank you for watching.